Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been hunting for a budget-friendly cloud storage solution that doesn't lock you into monthly fees, stick around. Today we're checking out the FolderFort lifetime deal, where you can grab secure cloud storage for as low as 40 bucks. One-time payment, no subscriptions. So what exactly is FolderFort? It's a high-speed, secure cloud storage service that runs on BackBlaze, one of the most trusted names in cloud infrastructure. That means your files are encrypted, safe, and always accessible through any modern web browser. No software installations needed. Let's talk about what you get. Storage options ranging from 250 giga all the way up to 52 DB. Unlimited workspaces and unlimited users. Yep, you can share access with as many people as you want, and they even get their own 1 GB free. Easy file sharing with both public and restricted links. Cross-platform access works on PC, Mac, and mobile as long as you have a browser. Scalability. Need more space later? You can upgrade instantly without downtime. And of course, 99.99% uptime guaranteed, so your files are always there when you need them. One thing I really like here is the security backbone. Since FolderFort uses BackBlaze encryption, your uploads are protected from prying eyes. Plus, with blazing fast speeds, even large files upload in seconds if you've got a solid connection. Now here's the deal. Normally, cloud storage like this comes with monthly or yearly fees. But with Stack Social's deal, you're looking at 250 giga for $39, 1 TB for $79, 2 TB for $119, and all the way up to 5 TB for $299. When you compare that to the original retail prices, some over $1,000, you're saving up to 83% with this lifetime plan. I'll drop the link to the deal down below. Go check it out while it's still available. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more lifetime deal reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.